Hi Marwa, you've done great. I like your work. It's very nice. Just I have some few comments. So in this video I'm gonna show you some comments. Embezzlement is a kind of financial fraud. It is a good introductory sentence. Then we move to the second, to begin with the causes. To begin with the cause is not this phenomenon. So phenomenon we have a spelling mistake. I say that greed of money. So this is more into Arabic than English. So you'd better say, there are many causes of this social phenomenon. Okay? It is also, we can include it as an introduction. To begin with, so we are going to use to begin with as a list. The first reason or the cause, the greed for money, is a major reason of this unethical act. Okay? So better than to say, I say that the greed of money is the biggest reason for this work. It is not a work, it is an act, an ethical act. We give it an adjective, a negative adjective for embezzlement. So we have to begin with, then we move to in addition, the second, laws. So we don't say it's better to avoid weak laws, but we say laws are not too strict. But, so, too strict, therefore the government must pass more stringent laws to punish embezzlers, okay, embezzlers and protect citizens, okay? You wrote, but it's still illegal, so the government must pass strict laws. So it's good, this one, to protect the citizens and punish those who don't pay. So what do you mean about those who don't pay? Who don't pay here, we refer to the tax evaders or tax invasion. So people or traders who don't pay. So this refers to tax evaders and not embezzlement. Great. Then, in conclusion, we should teach our works. What do you mean about our works? Moral values, also the fight against the embezzlement. So it's good, moral values. But what do you mean about our works? So I wrote, instead of saying in conclusion, you say for me, or in my opinion. For me, we should teach moral values to civil servants and officials. The fight against embezzlement is not only the responsibility of the government. Citizens have to take a greater part to stop this practice through whistleblowing. So thank you very much, Marwa. You have nice ideas. What do you need? Just organization. The best of luck.